I like eating croissants. I have one in a tub. That was the only thing I could find to put it in. So then here we have a thunderstorm. You stupid thunderstorms. Always coming back every now and then. Okay, it's night time, but as you can, oh, there we go. Once again, I'm gonna have to hold my phone tight. I'm not going outside to pick it up again. I'm covering, I think you can still hear me. So I gotta hold this well. But, it's literally, oh shit, here we go again. So then that's basically what frightens me, the thunder. But, I'm gonna dedicate everything to just staying calm and, yeah, so I don't know if you can see all that rain. I think the trees have had enough and the plants, oh, there we go, it looked like it was day. Wow, I thought the sun was rising. Oh, what an increase. What an increase. So, we have everything. Oh, here we go again. You stupid thunder. I hear electrical stuff. What's going on back there? If I was walking down here with sneakers that can't withstand slippery, then basically I would slip and I would fall down that whole hill back there. Hey, is that a power line getting sucked off? And I'm not hoping for a tornado. It would give me views, but I don't work for views. I work to entertain fans. But anyway, we just got another damn thunder. I'm not willing to go outside, but if it's a little less severe, then I am willing to go outside for this. But as you can see, the trees are blocking the way, and the only way I'm able to show you is from the window. Because my parents do not allow me to get so wet and then come back. My shoes all slippery. My mom is very overprotective. She's a woman, and she's overprotective of the floor, and she doesn't like it getting scratched. And if she sees something drop, oh my god, not again. And if she sees something dropped on the floor, she'll tell me to pick it up and throw it out or put it away if it's something I own. But anyway, here's this big ass thunderstorm.